We're watching right now. At the moment, the markets are in the green. Dow Jones Industrials moving higher at the moment. Let's bring in Financial CIO Gene Goldman. As we work out the end of this week with the last couple of minutes here, what's the message you take forward? Because in the end, the news about President Trump saying green light $200 billion in tariffs on Chinese goods only scared the markets for a moment.
Yeah, I think, hey Liz, great question. I think you look at the markets. I think the markets are definitely searching for direction. You know, we've said the markets are almost like a mountain climber. It's been 110 months. The market's moving with a strong economy. Now you have some headwinds. You have less oxygen. You have sort of deep, harder and harder steps. So looking forward, you have midterm elections coming up. You know, the political news today is important because it basically says that midterm elections, that these legal troubles are going to be a topic of conversation during the midterm elections. That's very important.
Top three sectors, you like utilities, healthcare, consumer staples, and with all this breaking news, are you buying stocks here, yes or no?
No, we're actually saying that there's been a defensive rotation into those three sectors. Our most favorite sector today is technology. Technology, year over year, earnings up 35%. And more importantly, think about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence will be the big driver for technology going forward. It's like electricity back in the 1890s, basically saying that it's going to be important.